Okay, after the oval, not oval, actually circle, you can tell. Okay, after the circle, we just here. Okay, we are creating this line here. Okay, and here I can create another one more big oval like this. How draw the seagull? Seagull, one of the bird of, you can, it is visible in seashore.
Sir, is this an elephant?
This is the birds called seagull. The
Sir, this is an eagle?
this is not eagle, it's seagull. Seagull. This wonder.
Hello, sir.
Hello, good evening, beta. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
I'm very fine. How is your workshop today going? Art workshop is fine.
What? How did you know about it?
I see you in. I'm also present in our workshop.
But I didn't see you.
Yeah, I am Mr. India kind of. It is not visible. I just joking.
We must held in our campus. How can you be here? And you don't even know our address. So it's impossible.
Impossible.
Yes.
Anyways, your mama is telling that you have uh,
I've gone to the painting workshop. I drew this.
what? Oh, amazing.
And another, this one was yesterday, right?
Mm-hmm.
So today, and today I was also one, and today I did this.
Oh my God, so many.
Yes.
Wow, this is really awesome.
And this also.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is a bird. It's called seagull. So let's start the draw the seagull. This kind of birds is it's usually visible in, you know, this ocean sides. Okay. So how to draw the step by steps? I just share. I can share the step by step also as well. So step one, just oval. Steps two, oval and circle. Step three, oh, one, two, three. Make circles and the eyes, and then add the body. Okay, step 3, and this is step 4. So step by steps you can go ahead. Okay, so this drawing we are making something, learning the shading, pencil set. So I can put the shading like this. Put the shading. Make the shadings. Okay, I put the shading over here. Here is very light shading. Make pencils. and this part color is basically orange. Okay, this is one of birds called she-gull. You can see this small feather you can introduce over here.